What's up, guys? So in today's video we're just going to be taking off the hideous side steps on this two-door JL. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to do it, what tools you need, and then just pull them off, and then your Jeep will look much better. I always like the side steps that kind of a little bit more integrated, so they kind of follow the body line up top here, more of like a rock guard, but I just think it hanging down real low never looked very good. So yeah, so that's just what we're going to be doing today. All right, so very simple. On the side of the Jeep here, we have two 10 mils and then two more 10 mils there that we're going to pull out. And then lastly, underneath here is a 13 millimeter bolt over there and then a 13 mil over there. So we're going to take this whole thing off in one piece. Alrighty, so on the back side here, I don't know if you can see, but there's a nut here that we need to hold that. So I'm going to get a 10 mil breaker bar. You could use it, just a wrench would probably be best. I don't have my wrench with me, so put a wrench on there and then you'll be able to pull it right out. Okay, just pull it out. Gonna have this on the other side, and then looks like a washer on the back side, so make sure you take that off. All right, so I got these two out as well as those two. Now we're just gonna work on the 13 mil here and the 13 mil under there. All right, so I got this guy kind of loose. I'm gonna leave it just slightly in so I can take the other side out and then undo this one by hand so it doesn't fall on me while I'm... All right, so I got it hanging down over here, and then I'm just gonna come over here, push up on it a little bit. These are pretty light, so. And then just lower it down just like that. This thing sounds like it's full of water, actually. Oh yeah, it's definitely full of water. And then there we go. As you can see, looks 10 times better. Actually looks like the Jeep's lifted almost. So I don't have that such low hanging down there. So yeah, that looks so much better than this side over here. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Pulling those off yourself, and then you could try to sell. So I'm sure some people like them. Definitely a little bit easier to get in and out of the Jeep, so you could probably clean these up and sell them to someone and recoup some money back. And alrighty, so another thing I did was pull off those ugly front bumper canard looking things, but looks 10 times better without those. So definitely pull those guys off, and your side steps. Makes Jeep look much better. She needs new wheels and tires. Well, new tires, which will require new wheels. So a lot of cracking in there. So get her set up with probably some BF Goodrich KO2s. Maybe the Rubicon size for this thing. I think it'll look pretty nice. After that, I installed these grill inserts. They're like the Rubicon style black plastic grill inserts. They just got double-sided tape on the back side, and it makes the Jeep look a lot better. Like base model Jeeps don't come with that, so definitely a good upgrade. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.